Hello everyone, my name is Loretta Dunn. I'm going to be running a workshop here in the Arthur Conan Doyle Centre on Saturday the 27th of May between 10 and 5 p.m. It's a workshop on death. It's called Death, Rebirth and Beyond. It's a fantastic workshop. It's very uplifting despite its name. We're going to get familiar and comfortable with the concept of death and the subject of death, but also we're going to have some fun with it and work together in groups and with individuals. I'm a former nurse and midwife. I'm also a death doula and a birth doula, as I believe that those two journeys are so intrinsically linked, it's almost impossible to separate them both. I'll be giving you lots of information and some tips along the way and how to get comfortable with the subject of death. We'll also be doing a labyrinth walk later on after that first part of our workshop. It's an incredible tool for contemplating any questions that you may have in your life that you would like answers to. And the only person that's giving you the answers is yourself. It's about self-awareness and it's about your inner knowing. And the beyond part of it is, along the way, we may get some messages from spirit or from your loved ones, as we also have a mediumistic aspect to our workshop. So all in all, it's a fantastic day, very rounded, it'll be exciting and it'll be great. You'll go home feeling uplifted, and some of the questions that you had before you came will definitely be answered. So do come along, Saturday, 27th of May, between 10 and 5, price £35, and I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.